So the AI session today, I thought was an excellent session. I think there was a lot of diverse commentary around where people are and also their understanding around AI. So I think it's important that people start to articulate what they think about AI and where they think they are. And it's a huge subject, and as you know, we all know it's a collection of software, and everyone's trying to talk about it like it's a technology, but it's not really. And we're probably all doing some AI anyway without really realizing it. And I think today's session really helped possibly for those who have not started to alleviate some fear of getting going. So at Teknion, we've done a couple of initiatives with using AI backdrop. So we have implemented a new logistics system, and it has an AI predictive engine around pooling of loads. So the idea behind it is that we're sending containers of product to an area, and there might be some random pieces that are sitting on the side that are going to the same area, and if we pooled them, there would be a cost saving and a timing savings. So we certainly turned that engine on, and it's been very interesting because it hasn't been successful out of the gate, because what it helped highlight were some of the data issues that we had upstream. So certainly the idea around pooling those pieces was accurate, but whether or not they fit in the truck properly, whether they were packaged properly for that kind of truck or that kind of journey is what we learned. So we were able now to sit back and go upstream, look at that data, and take corrective action. So to us, it's been a success because it's been a great learning. It's a great opportunity to use an AI predictive model, and it's a great opportunity to actually create better data in our business. All of our initiatives are really driven by our strategic business plan that's set at the executive level. And then we take that plan and we break down the objectives as to how we're going to accomplish and execute that plan. So we're all in it together in that sense. And from a CIO perspective, what I look at is any kind of new technology that I can buy that has something that we don't have. So today there's a lot of SaaS apps that have a component of AI as part of what they have. There's a lot of AI and or predictive technology and engines that are readily available with whatever we implement. So we look at that, and we might not implement it day one or in the initial phase of implementation because we might think it's too big. But having it readily available has been the key to our success. And then looking also at projects that we have in place. For example, we're a big Salesforce user, and we're looking at doing a project with Salesforce Einstein. And not only the analytics piece, but also the discovery piece. We have it right under our nose, so why not use it? And I think that's the other issue with AI. There is a lot that's already in place within the products that we probably are all using that we aren't actually leveraging. So my advice to IT leaders who want to move into AI is to not be afraid of it, to certainly leverage any kind of AI predictive engine that is part of an existing SaaS app or in-house application you have. Certainly look for an application that has that as a component piece, because then you know you're buying an application that's forward-thinking. And I think you don't have to worry about building AI algorithms internal and hiring developers. I think that's not really necessary out of the gate. Certainly maybe in time, as you feel comfortable with this and as this becomes embedded in your thought process of your company, you might want to invest in some secret algorithms to make your business that much better. But there's a lot of opportunity to make improvements with existing engines that are out there, existing AI that's publicly available, and just hearing today's session also from the people investing in AI labs, that the commercialization of AI technologies is exponentially increasing, which will make all this software available to all of us.